Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video about decorating your own pop socket. Just recently, last week, I went down to the Boost store to get myself a new phone. And I also got a new case. And I wanted a pop socket. Because, you know, I was like too lazy to go up to Walmart to get the pop sockets. And so anyway, and Walmart's wouldn't have had the case for this phone anyways. So I said, you know, with the price of gas and everything, I'm not going to waste any gas and my time running up there and all that stuff. So anyway, I decided that I was going to design my own pop socket. Now, the thing was, the guy only had one pop socket left, and it was brown. It was, let me see, vegan leather, so it was brown. It was like probably the color where it says vegan leather right there. Alright, so anyway, what I did was I brought it home and I got busy creating. And can you see that? I know my lighting's not that good, guys. Okay. So, you know, I like to do a lot of arts and crafts and stuff. So I had, you know, I had nail polish and everything laying about. So I decided, now remember, this was brown. And this is the color case that I got, which is like a teal color. Can you see that? So, I got one of my nail polishes out, which is this one right here. And I painted it. I put 4 coats on it. Okay? Now, I haven't yet decided if I'm going to leave it like this or not. Because, yeah, you can just literally paint them. I mean, even if you found one that had, like, maybe a light pattern or something on it and you didn't like it and it was one of the only options in the store. So you said, oh, let me get it, even though I don't like it. And you can just take it home and, you know, like, put some nail polish on it. And it'll work fine. I use nail polish for a lot of crafts. Trust me. And, you know, I have this color purple. I have, like, a rose color. I have silver, pink. I have a lot of other colors. But, you know, depending on the color of your case, you know, like the silver would have went cute with it as well. Anyway, so now my dilemma is, do I want to put anything else on it or do I want to leave it plain like that? Now, if I was doing, for instance, I have some leftover stuff from my craft projects. Let's say I did it a pink color or something, or silver. I could actually use, let me move this a second. I could actually use these stick-on hearts. Now, these are self-sticking, but what I would do is I would use something like Gorilla Glue on the back of it so that it sticks better. That way they won't be falling off. Also, I have these left over. They're just little dots. They're rose gold color dots. I've got this in pink and red, these little hearts. Now, these have like a texture, and I'm sure that over time, that would wear off. These are self-sticking too, so I would recommend Gorilla Glue for the back of them as well. Bring the phone back over. You could use a big one or a smaller one, like that. And what I would do is, I would either put a light color of clear nail polish over it, or if you had like some acrylic clear spray paint. Now my thought, and I'm still thinking about this, I haven't decided, procrastinating I am. I've got these cute silver ones. Now, do I want to do that on it? I might. See, that's the nice thing. I don't have to do it right now. I can do it down the line. It's an option. Or, I have these cute little stickers. Okay. These are kitty cats. I could pick a kitty cat and put on there. And in this case, I'm not sure because I haven't opened the pack. I don't know that I would use the clear nail polish or would I use acrylic spray. I haven't decided yet because I don't know if I'm going to use that. That was for a different project. And also have these. These are little dessert ones, bananas and whatnot. I don't know if I don't know if I would use these or not. I'm just showing you different options that you can do. Oh, if you wanted something upraised, if you had something like these, if you wanted it dimensional, you could do something like that. Or stars. You could put some stars. Remember, always use Gorilla Glue because it's going to hold the best. And once I'm going to tell you something else about the Gorilla Glue in a second. Also, there's also the option of, like, I don't know, got some buttons. You want to throw some buttons on there for some unknown reason. Just throwing it out there. I don't think I would, but hey, you know, it's a conversation piece. Alright, so anyway, what I wanted to say about my other phone, I'll be right back. I gotta grab my other phone. Okay, I'm back. I want to show you something here. Now, this is my old phone. And this is a PopSocket on this one. This came like this. I didn't do nothing to this one. This is a textured background. Okay? Now, PopSockets do not like to stick to these backgrounds and stay. So what I did was I used Gorilla Glue. And it's never going to come off. So if you do that, be prepared not to be able to take your PopSocket off of your cover. Now, if you wanted to change this, heck, you could just go ahead and paint it. And the thing about this is, it would probably show up those little grooves right there. But yeah, that is my suggestion for that. Another thing that I could do with this, if I wanted to decorate the whole case with something, I don't have any stickers that I'm particularly in love with right now, but I would definitely put stickers on the back of this case and customize it to the way that I would like. And I didn't put Gorilla Glue on this one because this is not one of those textured backgrounds. It actually stays on there. So yeah, I did 4 coats. Like I said, I did 4 coats on there. And that's going to stay. Anything happens, it chips or anything, you know, just touch it up. I mean, what the heck? This was brown before. Like I said, I did 4 coats. Alright guys, that's just my little craft idea today. And I hope everybody has a great day. And leave me a comment or a thumbs up and have a wonderful day. Bye.